1 cut, 2 cut, 3 cut. Bubbles! More bubbles! Wow, they put these 2 things in a giant box. More bubbles! Ship to Moonita. Order date 2/9. Receive date 2/12. 3 days. Wow, that's good. Fast shipping, boy. All right, let's see what we got. First, we have the Sony A7Cii II. My precious. And then we have the 16 to 25 f2.8 G. I was thinking about getting the G Master 16 to 35, but then that one's a little bit bigger and I wanted something smaller, so we got this. Get this box out of here. Which one should I do first? Okay, let's do the lens first. Oh, and I have one more thing. I'm also gonna unbox this from my last video that I didn't open. Okay, lens. Holy moly, look at all this paper. Do you know how many trees died for this? What the heck? Am I gonna read all these? Probably not. Look how thick that is. Homie, what? I digress. Wow! Look how small it is. That's cool. Remember the Canon one? How fat that thing was? Bro, and that was a 15 to 35. That thing was huge. And it's light. Wow. Jonathan can feel this. Stop that. It's so small and light. I like it. Wow. Me like. How does one get this off? Oh, there we go. Haha, I did it. Wow. It's like a tiny little baby. That's cool. I like it. Now for the main event. The camera. Oh, shoot. Don't break it. Oh, man. All right, come on. Oh, there we go. Oh my god, oh my god. More paperwork compared to the lens paperwork. What the heck? All right, it comes with its own neck strap that says A7Cii II. That's cool. And Sony, nice. It comes with a battery, but I bought an extra one, so I have a backup. And it just comes with the camera, nothing else, no charging cables, you gotta supply that yourself. No charging block, you gotta supply that yourself. Okay, are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? I don't know. Ah, wow, look at it. It's so small. And it's so much lighter. I like it. Wow. And the screen flips out. That's cool. Does it turn? It does. I got a screen protector for it. Wow. I'm excited. A7Cii Mark II, and I got the silver. I like how this feels. Has an eye thing right here. Let's take this off. Viewfinder, is that what it's called? Let's see what ports and stuff it has. Here's the back of it. These are the little buttons. Menu, little toggle thingy right here. Another toggle thingy right here. It's very grippy, super grippy. And there's a quick switch between photo, video, and S&Q, which is like slow motion or time lapse, like I'm assuming. On and off switch. Wow. Do you remember the Canon? When my finger was, when I was like holding it and I had to like move my hand, like maneuver my hand around to get to the record button. This one's so much easier. I like it. And there's another knob right here. Switchy switch. There's the screen. Flips out like so. You can flip it out, rotate it so you can see yourself. Here's the bottom. The battery will go here. Let's put the battery in. Yeah. Nope, wrong side. Haha. There we go. And it's locked. I'm gonna turn it on. On. It is a smaller screen nonetheless when I used. That's where the battery goes. And then on the other side, oh, let me put the cover back on before I break something. All right, over here we have ports. Here's the plug for if you have a mic that plugs in, a USB-C cable. Oh, SD card slot, only one. Locks. Down here we have headphone jack and a mini HDMI port. Cool, cool, cool. That's all the buttons. I like how this feels. This feels nice. Wow. Now this lens, the 16 to 25. This is the 25. And when you want to use the wide angle, the 16, it extends just a tiny bit. Not bad. Look at that. Ooh, that's rough. And it has this button and then another button button for autofocus, manual focus, and then click on or off. It stopped clicking. Wow, that hurt my nail. It clickies. That's cool. What? How? Science? Weird. Let's pop this bad boy in. Ah! It did it. Nice. Wow. I love it. Let's turn it on. It doesn't turn on. Maybe it is dead. They sent it to me dead. I guess I'm gonna have to charge it. Do I have a charger? See if we could charge it. So I was saving this for another video, but since I have to charge the batteries, I guess I'm gonna unbox it now. Second unboxing for today. Oh, fudge. I'm terrible at this. No bubble wrap. This could have been broken. What the heck? Do better. Power your passion. So this is a portable battery charger. I think I'm slanted. Portable battery charger for Sony batteries. They have different models for different camera batteries. Anywho, let's open this up. My room's a mess. It's by Lano. Promise I'm not special. Oh, look, that's cool. Wow, this is so nice. Sheesh. Oh, I like this. Why do I get excited for the packaging more than the actual product? Is there something in here? Oh, it comes with its own carrying pouch. Ooh. Oh my god. Come on. Oh, there we go. There we go. Designed for cameras. Goes in here like so. And you carry it. Put it in your backpack. How do I get my battery out now? Oh, that was cool. What if I had it in the wrong way? You know, because I'm special. It's still not coming on. Ooh. It says 81%. Does that mean the case is 81%? Or is the battery in there 81%? Well, I do have another battery. Let me put that one in too. I have a backup battery. Open this up. Oh wait, I don't think I finished this one. There's something else in here. A charging cable and paperwork. Mother trucker. Charger wire, and it's USB-C and out. Oh, so you can charge it, the case, and then also charge another USB-C compatible product like my phone. That's cool. So I have this extra Sony battery that I bought, and look at this packaging. What the heck? For a battery. What? This is the actual camera packet, paper, battery, lens. All right, actual battery. I'm gonna pop this into the portable charger, see what it says. Okay, bye.
A few moments later.
So update, I got both batteries into this thingy, as you can see, and this tells me that it's charging. Do you see it? Do you see it? That's battery 1, battery 2, and they're both dead. And this case is 76%. That's cool, I like it. I said I was gonna open this, and I didn't. I'm gonna open it now. It is the DJI Mic 2 camera adapter. So I could put the DJI Mic 2 receiver that's on my phone right now. I can put this on here, and then that will sit on here. So let's do that. Let's do it. It's so tiny. All right, let me not break something. How does one get this out? Oh, it just slides out. Wow, I'm an idiot. And this also slides out. There's a little arrow to tell me. This slides into here. Let's see. Ah, can I get it? Can I kick it? Can I kick it? Oh, look, I'm an idiot. You just gotta believe sometimes, you know? And then the receiver, it's gonna sit on here. That's it for my unboxing. My next video, it's probably gonna be more unboxing. Because I bought too many accessories for, well, not too many that I bought last year. All right, that's it. Peace.
Toma.